Today in this class we are going to discuss about question number 6 exercise 5.2 arithmetic progressions. What about this question? Check whether minus 50 check whether minus 50 is a term of the AP. We are having one AP. This one minus 50 is the term of this AP or not. We want to find this one. So how we will check this one is the term of this AP or not? We will assume this one is nth term. We are having one AP, its nth term, and term we are assuming minus 50. So how we will solve? Observe carefully. We are assuming what about its solution? We are assuming let nth term of AP an equal to is nth term of AP. Let nth term of AP is minus 150. We are assuming. Clear? From this AP, first term of this AP, A is first term, and it is 11. Second thing we require common difference. Common difference D equal to second term minus first term. This is the AP. No necessity to check this one is the AP or not. Already given AP. This is the AP. It means second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term. We are getting same number, and that same number is called common difference. So common difference D equal to second term minus first term. What we are getting? 8 minus 11 we are getting minus 3. Clear? And we assumed this one is nth term of this one. An equal to minus 150. A is the first term of AP. D is common difference. Now check whether this one is the term or not. It means number of the term we want to find. Number of the term. Once we are getting positive integers, n, then we can say given number minus 150 is the term of this AP, otherwise not. So we will calculate number of terms. So nth term of AP equal to A plus nth term of AP is an equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. This is formula for nth term of AP. We are having AP. For given AP, nth term will be an equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Now in this formula we will put the values of A and D and solve for n. Clear? So what about the an? An is minus 150. Minus 150. A is first term of AP 11. Plus n we want to find, calculate, so we will put as it is, and D is common difference, and this is minus 3. Clear? In the formula we are putting values given. Clear? Solve this one. Minus 150 equal to 11 plus, apply this one distributive law, minus 3 into this one minus 3n. This into this one minus 3n. This into this one minus into minus will be plus 3. This can be written as like, observe, minus 150 equal to 11. Now solve this bracket, plus into minus 3n plus into plus 3. Clear? Now solve minus 150 equal to 11 plus 3 will be 14 minus 3n. Now transposing n term towards the left side and this term towards the right side. This one towards the right, we are transposing, so this will be plus 3n, and this one I am transposing towards the right, then this will be positive 14 plus 150. What we are getting? Add both. 3n equal to 140. 4 plus 0 4. 5 plus 1 6. What we are getting? 164. So what about the value of n? N equal to 164 divided of 3. This is the value of n. we are getting, we cannot simplify, it is in the fraction form. Clear? We are not getting integer, not integer. So n value of n is not integer, not positive integer, not positive integer. Once we are getting positive integer, this one, then only we can say given number, given nth term is the term of this one, otherwise not. n is not positive integer, n is not positive integer, n is not positive integer, n is not positive integer. So minus 150 is not a term of given AP. So minus 50 is not a term of a term of given AP. What term? Not a term of a given AP. Observe carefully what we are doing. We are getting n equal to 164 by 3. It is not a positive integer. It is not a positive integer. N is not positive integer. So minus 50 is not a term of a given AP. So minus 150 is not term of this one. We checked this one. So observe again what we are doing in this question. We want to check minus 150 is term of this AP or not. So we are assuming this is what nth term of AP. This AP first term is 11, common difference second term minus first term, we are getting this one. For checking, we are finding number of terms and we are calculating. So we will use the formula of nth term of AP, n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We are solving, we are getting n equal to 164 by 3. After this one we cannot simplify, so we are not getting positive integer. Once we are getting n value as a positive integer, then only we can say what given number, given nth this number is what term of this AP, otherwise not. So n is not positive integer, n is not a positive integer, n is not a positive integer. So minus 150 is not a term of a given AP. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.